Imagine not just purchasing a home, but unlocking an incredible investment opportunity. Picture this. You live in one half of the home and watch your investment grow, while the other half pays the bills. This, my friends, is called house hacking. Now, are you ready to generate some extra income? Introducing a stunning new construction duplex located right here in Houston. Both units are identical and offer the utmost privacy with 4 walls separating the units for insulation from both sound and temperature. Step inside to discover tile flooring throughout, offering both elegance and easy maintenance. The kitchens are adorned with sleek quartz countertops complemented by stainless steel appliances. The primary bedroom boasts a spacious walk-in closet, providing ample storage for your lifestyle. In the bathrooms, you'll find real wood cabinets, adding a touch of sophistication to your daily routine. No HOA fees, giving you the freedom to live or invest on your terms. And the location, just minutes away from downtown Houston, providing easy access to the city's vibrant scene. If you would like more information on this property, please reach out to us. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be one of the first to be notified of all of our latest listings.